Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I just have to give you a wake up call.
Oh God!
Guess what happens next?
So I've already pulled or popped out the sunglasses holder, map light, dome light area, and I'm gonna get these hangers off. The oh shit handles. The other side. There we go. Slide. It's a different size torque. Hopefully go. So you have to push that in to push it out, and then that should release that, and you should be able to just pull straight up. All right. There you go. So you have to push that in to push it out, and then that should release that, and you should be able to just pull straight up. Coat hanger. All I did was put a flathead in there. It looked like it's starting to pry out, and see if I can poof. That goes, and I don't know if you can see inside there, but okay. Yeah. All right. Hard to see, but that's a 7mm bolt. After you pop off that that piece, and then right in there should be another 7mm bolt, and I could take this whole entire piece out. Once I take that whole entire piece out, that'll give me the access that I need. I don't think I need to remove this other than pull it apart from the body itself to gain a little wiggle room to get this whole piece out, and that should be that. So this looks like it's the Torx 20. I'll get that, and I'll pretty much have this whole side done. I could move on to, and I think I need to just slightly pry that down, but that just pops down. I don't need to remove it. I'll see on how I'm gonna run full access to it, and then I'll just get everything. I'll duplicate everything on the other side, and then the last piece will be this, and that just pops down, these little snaps, and then I should be able to get the headliner out. Indeed a 7, and I'm gonna crank that out, and just repeat process. I'll pick up video and when I'm popping this whole entire B and C panel off. But after I remove this 7mm bolt and that 7mm bolt, there's actually one more screw directly behind here, and it's just a Phillips. So I see why some people do remove the seats when they're doing this. I'm simply going to pull this forward and adjust fire that way. All these snap down perfect for me. I'm going to repeat everything you guys saw me do on this side, on that side now, and just get everything just right dress. And I'll pick up video again with me pulling this out of the vehicle. Out. Yep. That's what we're looking like right now. Everything's completely unbolted. Don't forget to undo this on the passenger side. And now goes the challenge of getting it out. I'm gonna lower the passenger window and try to finagle it all out by myself. All right, and this beauty is stripped. Yes, sir. Making good progress. Afro Z Assassin from the cockpit of the Boss Mobile. I was by myself, so this fought me to get in, and I just have that to put back on, but everything else is dress right, solid. Came out pretty good. I'm gonna wait till nighttime, give you guys a real good shot, meet up with Boss One, get his reaction, and yeah. Sorry I didn't get more footage, but that's just where it goes. Working around the camera, tripping over the camera, yeah. And there you have it, the finished product. Ah, that's disgusting. Oh, dude. Yes, sir. Look like real stars up in this maze. You go to sleep to that. So what you think, bro?
Man, I love it.